Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need to your support. Please submit your ward fees. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 2, nutrition in animal. In the last video we discussed ingression of food in the different organism. In this video we will discuss nutrition in amoeba. So let's start. Amoeba is a unicellular organism. Unicellular means single cell perform all the function which is necessary for the life, like digestion, excretion, absorption. Organism that found in a fresh water. It feeds on microscopic organism, because amoeba is also be a microscopic organism present in the water. An amoeba does not have a well developed body, means to say unicellular. If only single cell perform all the function which is necessary for the life. It has a cell membrane and many small vacuoles in the cytoplasm. Dear students, I will show you what is the vacuole and what is cytoplasm. Dear students, as you see here, amoeba senses food. Pseudopodia extend around the food. The food is enclosed in the food vacuoles. Dear student, that yellowish portion of this amoeba is called what? Cytoplasm. And you see here that type of projection type structure, that is called what? Pseudopodia. Dear students, with the help of pseudopodia, amoeba capture the food and engulf the food with the help of their pseudopodia. Amoeba constantly change its shape. Dear student, in first, in second and third, you can see that amoeba change its shape and position. Amoeba moves and capture food by pushing out many finger-like projection from the outer part of its body. Dear students, amoeba is a unicellular organism. It captures the food with the help of pseudopodia. That projection like finger-like projection is called what? Pseudopodia. These are called what? Pseudopodia. Pseudo means false and podia mean to say feet. Come to the next, dear students. When an amoeba senses food, it starts extending its pseudopodia around the food. Like that, suppose that it is a food, it enlarge their pseudopodia to capture the food. Now, extending its pseudopodia around the food particles and engulf it. And engulf means swallow it. The engulfed food is taken into the cell in a small cavity, that is called what? Food vacuoles. The students, in the site earlier we discussed the food vacuoles in the cytoplasma. So there is many food vacuoles in the cytoplasma of amoeba. Now digestive juice are released into the food for the digest the food. Digestive juices are released into the food vacuoles. These digestive juices break down the complex food particle to simple food particles and make it simple substance. The simpler substance formed are absorbed by the cell and are used its growth, maintenance and multiplication. The under-digested food is expelled out by the cell by the vacuoles. Dear students, we know very well amoeba is a unicellular cell. So the pseudopodia organism, as you know, pseudo means false and podia means feet. Means pseudopodia work help to capturing the food also. Vacuoles Pseudopodia engulf these food and through the digestive juice which is present in the vacuoles digest all the food, or whatever the extra food which is not digest, it is also be released by the single cell. So it is a unicellular organism. A single cell perform all the function which is necessary for the life. So hope dear students, hope you understood nutrition in amoeba. Come to the next one, filling the blanks using the words given in the box. First, the process of breaking down complex food into simpler soluble forms is called, dear student, that process is called what? Digestion. So write here what? Digestion. Now come to the next. Undigested food is removed from the body of an organism by the process is called what? Excretion. Dear students, undigested food which is not utilized by the body, it is removed from the body on an organism. So removal of this wastage from the body is called what? Excretion. Now come to the third. A butterfly use a tubular structure called what? Proboscis. Dear student, a butterfly uses a long tubular mouth part is called what? Proboscis, to suck nectar from the flower. To suck nectar from flowers. Now come to the third. During digestion in the birds, seeds are ground in the part of a stomach called gizzard. Dear students, many birds have a special structure as a part of a stomach is called gizzard, which help to grind seed and other food during the digestion. Now come to the next, fifth one. Amoeba uses pseudopodia engulf the food. Earlier we discussed amoeba moves and captures food by pushing out many finger-like projections. This is called what? Pseudopodia. So here you write what? Pseudopodia. Dear students, hope you understood nutrition in amoeba and the filling the blanks portion. Dear students, you have to do this portion in your book also in a very neat and clean writing. Thank you students. Be safe. Stay home.